Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ka St. Thomas Higher Secondary School, Mairang, hakasin ka beningkong ka Rakhe ka Parents Day, ka beriru shibenta jong Rakhe ka Snem Jubilee Ksiar jong school. Hakani ka program ka plalong haka new tarik unai luar arja arpua ha plau jong school lawan banyak shibenta shiraham nek bi pa jong khna puli jong ni school usorda jong sunang pendang umyong uba borna si umyong uba AL hang MLA ka pinthor umkhra constituency bat kiwi bala shakhat ngobha nalor ki khna puli uba AL hang habakran hakani ka sngi kum kongsan ula penkan mau ya ka jingtre system ki kimi pa hakabe hakba kim jule arang wat menteri ya ka nuguru kam tangban la ban pendap penbiang ya ka jingdan kam jengki khun namar ka jing angnu joki kalong ta ki khun ki nyo ban puli ha ki school ki babha bat bakin long brio man brio haba ki he alasan uba hek layro yo samla Kevin Strong Lauren Yang ubla kalalong role model jong St. Thomas hakaba ula yo bat ya ka kandan ka ba khlidu ha ka top 20 jong result SSLC balapan benar ke embos house Snem arja arfuway. Shushu la penipu ipi yang yagani ke program hakani ke sengi de jingruai bat ki jingsha naki kena school.
You realize that you have your parents, then you will understand how much your parents have been working very hard, slogging their life, put all the effort to ensure they meet your ends, they meet your needs, and they meet your requirements in your daily life. From the different walk of life, they are working in a different capacity and live different responsibilities, but they never shy away to ensure that the students, the children, they are studying in a good school in a society. Every parent has a dream to ensure that when the children are growing up, they are placed in the high position in the society. The father principal has reminded all of us, in the 50 years of this Golden Jubilee celebration, the school has produced so many great personalities from the school, who are now been there in a different position, serving the society, serving the government, serving at a different level of their life. So there are so many great personalities which have been produced from this school. We don't want only to be a great personality in our life, we need also to produce a good human being. Many of our parents today, we are fighting, we are struggling, we are doing everything to ensure that our children, when they're grown up, they are a great personality in society. They are holding the high position in society. No, that is not enough to bring up our children in a better way. If you want to bring up the children in a better way, we have to be inculcate the humanity in our children. Today we have seen the program of your school as a beautiful program presented by your children, by the school students. And when I'm sitting here on the sofa, I don't feel like that I'm sitting in Mairang. I feel like myself that I'm sitting somewhere in the top school in the country, not only in Meghalaya. In the top school of the country, they are so creativity, they're so innovative, at the same time, they are very talented. Congratulations to each one of you. You have done wonderfully you have displayed your talent. That is what we have seen. And the beauty is, when we are here in this venue today, we have so many, the song you have presented, that they have shown that you are the Mairang at the St. Thomas School, the school which is catered with all community and all walks of life of the people, not only for one single community. That is the best way that we are serving the human being. And it is a very great honor and privilege that our school, the young students, we have the honor to respect you to have to celebrate the Parents' Day today. Then I will just ask you also, I've asked the children, I'll ask you also, what is the role of the parent? Did you have asked yourself any point of time, any point of day, what we are, what is my responsibility and the role as a father? What is the responsibility and the role as a mother? Did you have asked any one of the day? You have asked yourself. I think if you have not asked all these years that you have come up to this level today, get ready and ask every day, who am I? Who am I? I'm a father, I'm a mother, and what is my role and what is my responsibility? That is not good enough only to give the best education, give to be education or literacy to our children, but the best to give is to invite and inculcate also the life that we as the children also as a great human being, a good human being. That is important in our life today. We need our family to be very close with our children. We should understand each other. Then only we can tell to the world that we have this family and we are doing this for the society. That is important in our life today. Last year, Master Kevin was stood top 10 from the St. Thomas School. Congratulations to him. And he is the role model of the school. We need all our children, when you are taking your studies, you have to be very professionalism. You cannot just take it lightly, as I said by one of the speakers. Cannot be taken lightly. We have to be taking anything as a professionalism, then only we can grow better and strong in our life day to day. Of course, we know the government job is completely saturated in the state of Meghalaya and the whole country today. But the job opportunities still are there. There are plenty of job opportunities there, but it needs how to conceptualize, how to be creativity, how to be innovative, to find out ourselves where the jobs are fit in for my personality. That is important in our life. But the beauty of our life lies here. When you live simple, you always will be beautiful. And when you always live humble, you always will remain powerful. Snem jong ke Jubilee, agak sekolah tinggi ke Rakhe, yang kedindap sangku Snem jong ke School St. Thomas Higher Secondary School. Ke School St. Thomas, kalau saya yang kisah kita bonjai ki balong ki kena ke Saint Thomas ki badang haki keram ki roke nak banta ban ai ya ke sakri ya ke jin sakri ya ke emlang salang ya ke ri ya ke jat benril ya ki balang ban haki banta ki roke ke Saint Thomas ni kala sei ya ki klur ila banong ki doctor ila banong ki engineer ki longi kai ki bat kiwi pat ki baladan ha ki pinta ki per ban ai ya ke jing sekri na banta kari na banta kadong ka thai ba ka jak berne ni barokoi ngade wen ki knaskol jong ka Saint Thomas kadu por na smok no rata ba ngade wen ki knaskol jong ka skol ba niyo bani sim talang ha ka ni ka jing Rakhe ya ka golden jubilee jong ka skol jongi jong ka Saint Thomas High School ke haga jong por kumbang ilong minasay kaskul nasay ya ki bril ki repair haki kerdan ki repair ki balaya ki jinsikli hendrai mentabang ni don ya ka jin challenge ni don menta haga ni ka perthai jong ka jingele ni ong wall of competition lani ka perthai jong ka jingele haga mingi yinum kut ya ka jingele kani ka perthai undai tang ba ngin su yeki ba ngin su le andap wangi pi ki knas ko bi jengi hawa pi le ifwan school idon kam ya ka jintre sitom ondai tang ba pi pas ondai tang man susah kerja na ka wei ke kelas henry idon kam ya ka jintre sitom na hawa mini hawa ma pi pas kin wan sakma hagi jin kule ki jonki ni dan ekran kini ki si ki por balga mangi ki bala ramba yong ba kini ki kahadani ka por ba manta ki bri ki challenge nani ki don ke jingele ka khao haba ka ri ki jongi ka duna pala haki employment nani haka jingyo kam yo jam duna pala haka jingyo kam yo jam henry nani phaiwa sahaka wei ko banta ngal lo bang ngayo iya ka wei kata kalong na benta ki beri ki batrai sitong na benta ki beri ki bawang sekmat kakam kadang bun belai dan bun belai ki beri ni ki wei ki jela ki beri ni ki wei ki state jong India ki dang wan rung segeri jeni ban wan terekam ki wan rung ha ni ki jela jeni ban wan lu spa ki wan rung ha ni jeni ban kamai spa bat ku ta balai mangi yo nyem dot kam nyem yo kam bat pun tak terter. Kerana kita kepercayaan jawab jingele, aku bawa mengira se, ni supas, iki jingele jadi tang bandar. Nyem yo ayat kata thong kebasukmat. Nak ada undang ye kun, ye ki interview, undang ye kun banyak ekam, haji exam juga per nyem juan sekmat, niwan sedir. Supas sekenjat, saya ingin yokam. Kerana nak kita diberi kita waskma, nak kita diberi kita triston, kakam kadang bun, kakam kadang bun. Kalau nginang yo berterai bun kikam, berai kita sekri, nak kita ke enak salah, banyak yang kecil berkelawai berkenai kikikun kiki. Nak kita yang sesindian, nak kau meripi, kau kikun biye. Kalau kita kena sekolah dari Saint Thomas, don't raise it down. Nak benda kalawai jadi, nak pintulang, ya kita mikir pada niru, kunjung dekat management, ya ini trainer, mani kita mikir pada, rengkat pada pi ke management, ya kalau kita pi ke school management, pi penbaik, ni kita mikir pada, ini IP, ya pi ke mana pi ke dia, ban, ya sematalang, nak benda, bangin rak. Nak bata bering kentu ya di kunjungi ba kena ke suprang nak kapor siapa kapor kumbang yang dat kejinjok omdei dak noset jungi kejinjok omdei kebersuan har kum kan noset dan gibang usniubo dan ubang ubhabo batunta ter yo brio ubajok ubawan sekmat yo ubhabo kamdei kata mereka jinjok jung brio kadai kajintre sitong jung brio ya bawami idalkam bantre sitong kedon ruskuwe kitien gawang success and excuse never talk each other. Success and excuse never talk each other. Kajing job kejini, kajing job kejini, but kajing pan kejini, ngal excuse kumut kejini. Persang bertolak ya lebih.
kemudian ini kimlah penetrailer. Lembaran ini persen berkuat lebih nak jintrai ingin mempunyai sejauh. Lain kuat sejauh banjir kemudian hab ban IT lebih ban nonton belu ke excuse hendrai ingin trace tom dalam di lembaran mesin.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with a mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To all the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.